programs, politics, religion, culture, and lots more. Keep listening to Carnival Radio. Carnival Radio. Enjoyment unlimited.
Music station.
This is Carnival Radio. Midday News.
Good afternoon and welcome. I am Joseph Oyikola with the Carnival Radio Media News. In the news this afternoon, the federal government says about 50 million vulnerable households have been captured in a benefit register for conditional cash assistance being implemented in partnership with the World Bank as part of effort to cushion economic shocks. The Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Reduction, Dr. Bernard Dodo, disclosed this during an interview with the newsman. He explained that not all households listed in the National Social Register qualify for direct financial support. Dodo noted that the National Social Register currently contains about 17.9 million vulnerable households identified through community-based assessment and socio-economic data. It stressed that beneficiaries for specific interventions are selected separately based on program objectives. Meanwhile, the Bauchi State Police Command has arrested two suspects in connection with alleged human trafficking and related offences in the state. In a statement issued on Friday, the State Police Public Relations Officer Nafiu Abubakar said the E-Divisional Police Headquarters was investigating a case involving criminal conspiracy, human trafficking, assault, extortion, and defamation. Habib said investigations revealed that Joseph allegedly conspired with Light Mandis to lure Wilson and her friend Mercy to Ghana for prostitution. The command spokesman added that the case had been transferred to the State Criminal Investigation Department for further investigation. In the meantime, Ekiti State Government has expressed concern over the rising cases and deaths from Lassa fever in the country, including the recent loss of health workers to the disease. The Permanent Secretary of the State Ministry of Health, Mrs. Olushola Gbenga Igotun, said although there were no confirmed Lassa fever cases in the state, the government had threatened the capacity of healthcare workers and facilities, while also providing personal protective equipment and hand-washing materials. Gbenga Igotun disclosed this in a statement titled Lassa Fever Advisory for Healthcare Workers. AKSG calls for heightened index of suspicion and implementation of infection prevention and control measures in healthcare facilities. Other friends saying, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio has spoken of a dividing moment and a new era as he travels to Europe for a major speech to the Munich Security Conference. Rubio will lead the U.S. delegation at the first major global event since President Donald Trump threatened Danish sovereignty with a pledge to annex Greenland. French President Emmanuel Macron has insisted Europe must prepare for independence from the U.S., while NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte has stressed that transatlantic bonds are as close and important as ever. The war in Ukraine, tensions with China, and a potential nuclear deal between Iran and the U.S. are also on the agenda. The security conference gets underway. Interesting water sport. The Confederation of African Football (CAF) has appointed Libya officials for the Champions League tie between Rivers United and Morocco's RS Berkane. FIFA badged referee Moitaz Ali Shamani will be at the center. Ali Shamani will be assisted by his compatriot Mohammed Mangi, Assistant Referee 1, and Bassam Sahi Al-Assa, Assistant Referee 2. Another Libyan, Ali Boruk Mohammed, will serve as a fourth official. At ends Carnival Radio Media News. Thank you very much for listening. You could download Carnival Media app from Google Play Store and Apple iOS. You can also check out our website at www.carnivalmedia.ng. My name remains to see for your color. Good afternoon, and please do all to enjoy the rest of your day.